Have you ever wanted to escape the city and drive deep into the wild, with nothing but the sky above and dirt roads ahead? That's what overlanding is all about, exploring off-the-grid places with your vehicle as your home. And when it comes to epic overlanding destinations, California is a dream come true. From the dusty trails of the Mojave Desert to the alpine passes of the Sierra Nevada, California has something for every adventure lover. But where do you start? What gear do you need? And which trails are worth the drive? In this video, we're diving into the most scenic, most challenging, and most rewarding overlanding trails California has to offer. We'll talk routes, difficulty levels, camping options, and tips for beginners. So if you're thinking about heading off the beaten path, this video is for you. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's hit the trail together. Before we get into California's best trails, let's break down what overlanding actually means. Unlike off-roading, which is all about tackling extreme terrain, overlanding is more about the journey than the obstacles. It's self-reliant travel, usually in a 4x4 vehicle, that combines remote travel and camping. You're not just driving, you're living on the trail often for days or even weeks. It's part road trip, part outdoor survival, and all adventure. Overlanding can take you across deserts, through forests, and over mountain passes. You'll need to be prepared, mentally, physically, and mechanically. It's not always easy, but that's what makes it so rewarding. If you love nature, problem solving, and total freedom, overlanding might be your perfect escape. And in California, the variety of terrain makes it an ideal state to get started. Let's start exploring some of its most iconic routes. Let's kick things off with one of the most famous trails in the state, the Mojave Road. Stretching about 140 miles from Needles to Barstow, this trail crosses the heart of the Mojave Desert. It's steeped in history, originally used by Native Americans and later by settlers. You'll pass dry lake beds, lava tubes, petroglyphs, and even a mailbox in the middle of nowhere. The terrain isn't too technical, which makes it perfect for beginners with a reliable 4x4. But don't underestimate the heat. Summer here is brutal, so plan wisely. There are tons of flat camping spots along the route, offering clear desert skies for stargazing. Make sure to bring plenty of water and recovery gear. Cell service is almost non-existent. Most people take 2 to 3 days to complete the trail, but you can go slower if you want. The best time to go? Spring or fall, when the temperatures are just right. It's an unforgettable desert journey that blends history, solitude, and stunning views. Now let's raise the stakes with one of the toughest trails in America, the Rubicon Trail. Located near Lake Tahoe, this trail is only 22 miles long, but don't let the distance fool you. It's a rock-crawling, tire-shredding beast that will test both your rig and your patience. Originally a Native American route, it became a legendary 4x4 trail in the 1950s. People come from all over the world to take on its granite slabs and tight technical sections. If you're overlanding, this one's for the experienced crowd. Stock vehicles won't survive here. You'll need lockers, lift kits, good tires, and most importantly, solid recovery skills. There are a few beautiful camping areas along the UAE Trail like Ellis Creek and Buck Island Lake, but this isn't just about nature. It's about conquering one of the most iconic trails in North America. Prepare for slow progress, amazing views, and a huge sense of accomplishment if you make it. The Rubicon isn't just a trail, it's a rite of passage. Now let's head to Northern California and discover the Lost Coast, one of the most remote coastal areas in the state. This overlanding trail offers a completely different experience. Misty cliffs, ocean views, and dense redwood forests. The route starts near Ferndale and winds through rugged terrain all the way to Shelter Cove. It's less about technical driving and more about escaping the crowds and soaking in nature. The roads can get muddy and narrow, especially during or after rain, so caution is key. Camping options include spots like Usel Beach and King Range Conservation Area. You'll often have the whole beach or forest to yourself, which is part of the magic. Just be prepared for foggy mornings, chilly nights, and the occasional bear encounter. The Lost Coast is a place to slow down, unplug, and truly disconnect. It's perfect for overlanders looking for peaceful, scenic vibes rather than extreme challenges. If solitude by the sea sounds like your thing, this trail delivers. Now we enter the land of extremes, Death Valley National Park. This area isn't just the hottest place on Earth. It's also home to some epic overlanding routes. From Titus Canyon to Echo Canyon and the racetrack Playa, the variety is incredible. You'll see colorful canyons, salt flats, ghost towns, and even mysterious moving rocks. It's a landscape of contrasts, harsh and beautiful at the same time. Driving here can be tricky, especially with soft sand, sharp rocks, and unpredictable weather. Make sure your vehicle is in top condition and bring plenty of gas, water, and spare tires. The isolation is intense, but so is the sense of adventure. Camp under a billion stars and wake up to silence like you've never heard before. Just remember, Death Valley doesn't forgive mistakes. Plan well and respect the terrain. This is overlanding at its rawest. Let's head up into the Sierra National Forest, a gem for alpine overlanding. Located just south of Yosemite, it offers lush pine forests, granite cliffs, and high mountain lakes. Trails like Deuces Ershim and Red Mountain OHV offer technical challenges and incredible views. In the summer, the air is crisp, and the scenery is straight out of a postcard. The forest roads vary from easy gravel to challenging rock sections. Camping by a lake with a fire crackling and the Milky Way above you? Yes, please. You'll need to check road conditions ahead of time. Some trails are closed during snow season. This area also has strong wildlife presence, so store food properly and stay bear aware. The Sierra routes are perfect for extended weekend trips or longer loops. You get the best of mountain driving with remote camping and clean, cool air. It's an overlanding paradise up in the clouds. So what do you need before you hit any of these trails? First, you need a capable vehicle. 4WD, good clearance, and off-road tires are a must. Next, recovery gear, tow straps, traction boards, a shovel, and a jack. Navigation tools like GPS apps, Gaia GPS or OnX Off-Road, are lifesavers in no-signal zones. Bring extra fuel, plenty of water, food, and first aid supplies. You'll also need camping gear that can handle unpredictable weather, especially in the mountains. Know how to repair your rig or at least carry the basics like tire plugs and tools. Always let someone know your route and expected return. Respect nature, follow leave no trace principles, and tread lightly. California's wilderness is stunning, but it's also sensitive. Be prepared, and it'll reward you with the adventure of a lifetime. Overlanding in California is awesome, but not without its challenges. Flat tires, overheating engines, and wrong turns are all part of the experience. Don't panic. Most issues can be solved with patience and preparation. Weather can change fast. Sunshine can turn into thunderstorms or snow at higher elevations. Wildlife encounters are rare but possible. Keep food sealed and be aware. Mechanical failures? That's where knowing your vehicle really pays off. Always carry spare parts and the tools to use them. If you get stuck, stay calm and assess your options. Don't make a bad situation worse. You'll learn as you go, and every mistake becomes part of your overland story. The lows may test you, but they make the highs that much sweeter. That's the beauty of overlanding. It challenges you and changes you. So, is California the ultimate overlanding destination? For many, the answer is a resounding yes. From deserts to mountains to oceans, it has every kind of terrain you could dream of. Whether you're just starting out or you've been wheeling for years, there's a trail waiting for you. You'll discover not only new places, but also new parts of yourself. Overlanding isn't just a trip. It's a lifestyle built on freedom, challenge, and exploration. If this video inspired you, let us know in the comments which trail you'd tackle first. We'd love to hear your stories, questions, and even your trail tips. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more off-road adventures. We've got tons more guides and real-world overlanding experiences coming up. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe, stay adventurous, and keep exploring. See you on the trail.